Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Biometrics and Security to find Secure Folder on your phone. Follow the prompts to sign into your Samsung account and start setup. Choose a lock method such as PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint for secure folder access. Create a strong separate PIN when prompted and confirm it twice to avoid lockouts. Set the auto lock timer to 5 minutes for convenient security and immediate locking when you press the power button. Open Secure Folder and tap Add Apps or Add Files to bring content into the secure space. You can copy items to keep duplicates or move them to remove originals from main storage. When moving content, photos, documents, and videos will live only inside Secure Folder for stronger protection. Use My Files integration to locate files quickly and transfer them with a few taps. Verify each transfer succeeded before deleting original copies. Open Secure Folder settings to customize notifications, quick access, and backup options for your private data. Disable lock screen previews to prevent message or photo thumbnails from showing outside Secure Folder. Enable Cloud Backup to Samsung Cloud for Secure Folder so you can restore items after a factory reset or new device setup. Use apps inside Secure Folder independently from main apps to keep separate accounts and data. Consider disabling Quick Open gestures if you prefer manual unlocking for extra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.